Yo, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I just got a package in the mail and I'm gonna go out here and open it and show you guys what I got. I'm gonna be working on something. Damn, I look pale, bro. Camera need to adjust. Go ahead, adjust. There you go. But I'm gonna be working on something, not today, not in this video, but I'm gonna be letting you guys know what exactly is going to be happening to the car. Yeah, if you couldn't hear me, it's because my microphone wasn't plugged in, and I ain't about to re-record that. So it is what it is. You about to get low volume, low quality, or I'm gonna just turn the volume up in there. But here we go. Some of you guys will know what this is. If you've seen it before, if you know about Supras, you'll know what this is. Right there. Plan to go flex fuel, full E85. Well, I'm gonna do flex fuel, that way if I run low on fuel somewhere, I could, you know, blend it. Here's the fuel injector harness that I got. Some other harnesses that goes in there. I'm gonna have to look up where these go, where all of these go. But yeah, obviously the sensor, the fuel pressure sensor, whatnot, all the fittings, those are going to have to be put together, and the injectors. I got the little ECU that goes with it. So there you go. I'm gonna be going full flex fuel on the Supra. Or should I call it the BMW? The little Z4. It wasn't too exciting, it's just the box. Just wanted to show y'all. It's oh, and I did clean the car out, by the way. As you can see, over there is clean. Got it vacuumed. Back there is clean. I don't know if y'all can see, it's kind of dark. Over here was clean, but I drove it. Everything else is clean. Yeah. Oh, I guess I need to clean under here. Didn't clean under here in a while. Ugh. So obviously what's going to happen is, oh shoot. Obviously what's going to happen is, right, I'm going to have to take this off. And then I'm going to have to put the port injection plate in here. And this is going to move up. So I have to get a new charge pipe. So if anybody is out there selling a charge pipe, let me know. I'll pick it up. Have to be aftermarket though. If not, I'm going to just go ahead and order one myself. Yeah, I got to get a new charge pipe because this is eventually going to be moved that way. And then I got to run all the fuel stuff. I think you mount it so the injectors are on the bottom anyway, so you ain't going to be able to see it. And then I got to hide the flex fuel sensor in there somewhere. Let everybody keep thinking to stop. You know what I mean? Damn, under there is dirty. Next time I wash my car, I got to wash under here. And I washed my car yesterday too. Look. Yeah, I washed my car yesterday, and it's I didn't clean my engine bay. So yeah, new parts came in. Should I make that a thumbnail? Right there. Right there's the thumbnail, guys. Like these right here on the Supra, these wiggle for some reason. I do not know why. Like you can't take it off and tighten it up. Like I took it off and tried to tighten it up. You can't do that. That wiggles. But yeah, that's it.